Alright, so in this video, we're going to talk about connecting to your computer remotely. So you can access your PC, the full interface, the files, everything, if you're logging to Office PC or you're working somewhere else. So you can set up your PC to host to be the server with that. So this PC would be the server, and any other computer or device, tab, phone that logs into it would be the client. So it's a client server base. So what I'm going to do here, first we're going to open up Google Chrome. What we want to do is open up extensions. So I already have the extension installed. The application or the third part, the software that I'm going to be using to do this is Google Chrome Remote Desktop. So you want to go to extensions here, manage extensions, and make sure that the Chrome Remote Desktop extension is installed. Next, we want to go to the Chrome Remote Desktop site, which is remotedesktop.google.com, and we want to set up our PC to host our PC to be able to access remotely. So we want to hit turn on. Just want to give this PC a name. So we want to hit next on this. We want to enter a PIN that would access when we log in remotely. So that's going to put a PIN there. Alright, we want to hit start. And then we can either save the password or have it remembered all the time. Hit yes. Right, so as we can see here, it is starting. Um, so once it's configured, um, it would allow us to access it remotely. The reason why I'm using the Chrome Remote Desktop because it's easy and it's a different method that you can use other than the regular remote desktop that's built into Windows. You can use that as well. It's almost the same simple feature. What we're gonna do here now is log on to this PC through um, a different device. So I'm just gonna connect to this PC here through a different device now. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is that I am going to access the PC that I set up through my tablet. So I'm just gonna access it through the Chrome interface. Gonna pull up Chrome here. Right, so I have Chrome here. As you can see here, we have library PC, but I'm just gonna pull it up through logging in. You must be logged in to your Google account in order to access that cool feature. So I'm gonna pull up remote desktop access. As you can see here, the library PC option is here. You can also install the client on the desktop or on the tablet. If you want, you can install it that way instead of opening it up through a browser. So I'm just gonna tap on the on my PC to access it. Alright, so connecting to the PC here now. I'm gonna enter in the PIN. Alright, pulling up the so it's coming up. So as you can see here, I am currently accessing the remote PC through the tablet. As you can see here, I can basically control everything on this computer as well. I am currently on my PC here. So if I hit a file here, I can access it. File Explorer. I'm basically accessing my entire system with all my files accessed through a tab. I can also access it through any other Office PC or any other thing that I wish. Right? So this is a very helpful technology that this client server architect have. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you very much for viewing.